very well, but how she performed. I still remember she and her replying also, I guess, might be Miss Shali again. Okay, they both were very interested all the time they performed very much, and they having one vision all the time is that when we complete our team and then the things will happen, and today you will see. So let me mic this girl, I'll give you mic for 1 or 2 minutes so that Smith, Pooja, everybody, please have an applause.
गुड आफ्टरनून दिल्ली।
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
थोड़ा सा तो लाउड हो जाओ यारो, आज तो क्रिटिकल पॉइंट है आपकी लाइफ का। कम ऑन, गुड आफ्टरनून दिल्ली। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ, हु आई एम। My name is Ms. Pooja. I'm currently pursuing physics honors from Delhi University and side by side working in this multinational organization named as Corporate Infocom Private Limited with a tag of team manager now. Sir, first of all, देखो सर, आप लोगों को एक बात बताना चाहूँगी। आज मैं आपके सामने कोई अपनी क्वालिफिकेशन की वजह से तो नहीं खड़ी यहाँ पे। अगर आज मैं आपके सामने खड़ी हूँ तो बस और बस इसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की वजह से खड़ी हूँ। और इसके साथ साथ कंसेप्ट आपने देखा है, कंसेप्ट मैंने भी देखा था, आपने थोड़ा बड़े लेवल पे देखा है, मैंने बहुत छोटे लेवल पे जस्ट पेपर्स पे देखा था। इसके तो क्या रियलाइज करा, चीज़ वही थी जो मैंने देखी, जो आपने देखी, बट डिफरेंस कहाँ था। मैंने उसे स्टार्ट करा, ऑप्ट करा, वर्क करा, और टुडे यू कैन सी मी आई एम जस्ट स्टैंडिंग बिफोर यू। देखो सर, मेरे जैसी लड़की, जस्ट आप मेरे को नहीं जानते पर्सनली, कोई भी नहीं जानता होगा, जिस कुछ लोग जानते होंगे उन्हें पता मैं कैसी हूँ। मैं बहुत नोटी, बहुत जिद्दी, जस्ट फालतू चीज़ों वाली लड़की हूँ। बट आप तो कितने सुंदर हो सर, कितने स्मार्ट लोग हो, जब मेरे जैसी लड़की ये सब कर सकती है, आप लोग नहीं कर सकते। देखो सर, हर चीज़ में एफर्ट्स करते हैं। प्रॉब्लम आई, मेरे साथ भी आई, स्टार्टिंग में बहुत प्रॉब्लम आती है, मेरे को पता है, मैंने भी सफर करा। एक छोटा बच्चा होता है ना, छोटा बच्चा, समझते हैं ना, छोटा सा बच्चा पैदा होता है, किसके एफर्ट्स लगते हैं, ऑब्वियसली मॉम डैड। सेम विद कॉर्पोरेट, एक बच्चा पैदा हुआ, किसने, मम्मा पापा ने क्या करा, 8699 दिए, इतना ही करा, उनका काम खत्म, आगे काम किसका है, हमारा। छोटा सा बच्चा है, बच्चा पैदा हो गया, मम्मा पापा के एफर्ट्स लग गए। उसके बाद क्या हुआ, उसके बाद क्या हुआ, जो फ्रेंड साथ में लेके आया ना, उस पर ट्रस्ट करो। उस बच्चे, वो बच्चा है जो आपको खड़ा करेगा, जो छोटे बच्चे को खड़ा करेगा, वो कौन है, आपका दोस्त है, ठीक है, उस पर ट्रस्ट करो। अब एक छोटा बच्चा है, वो खड़ा है, वो वहाँ खड़ा है, अब उसको आजा 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 करके चलाया जाता है, खुद नहीं चलता बच्चा, उसको समझाया जाता है, उसको चलाया जाता है। वो कौन चलाएगा, आपके सीनियर। देखो सर, मैंने स्टार्ट करा, खुद करा, मम्मा पापा ने पैसे दिए, स्टार्टिंग में हर किसी की मना करते हैं, मेरे लिए भी मना करा, बट स्टार्ट करा, जिद्दी भी स्टार्ट करवा लिया। उसके बाद फ्रेंड ने, वैशाली जी, शी सपोर्टेड मी वेरी वेल, उन्होंने सपोर्ट करा, खड़ा करा। उसके बाद वहाँ से लेकर अगर यहाँ तक कोई इंसान लेके आए ना, तो बस और बस मिस्टर अभिषेक करेगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच। और यहाँ तक लेकर आए, अब आपकी बारी दौड़ने की, चलना सीख गया बच्चा, अब बारी आती है दौड़ने की। दौड़ाएगा कौन, कम सीनियर है क्या सर, इक्षित जी, मित्तल जी, प्रमोद जी, कपिल जी, गुम्बा जी, बहुत सीनियर है सर, सब दौड़ाएंगे। टेंशन मत लेना सर, टेंशन लगे तो हाथ जाएगी, टेंशन बिल्कुल मत लेना, बस पार डालना, सबसे हो जाएगा, सब हो जाएगा। ओके सर, थैंक यू।
अभिषेक जी, मुझे याद दिला देना, मुझे चीटी खरीद के लाने, पीट के वाली दौड़ाने के लिए। सर मैं सोच रहा कॉल करूँगा, सर मैं जॉगिंग शूज पहन के बिल्कुल आने वाला हूँ। चलो मेरी भागना है आपको, इन्हें भगा हुआ आगे स्विम ड्रिंक कर देंगे, चाहे और कुछ करे ना करें। ओके, हम हो या रीजन ओपन दैट जिम ऑल्सो। ओके, एक और टीम मैनेजर हैं, वेरी जेन्युइन गाय, लेकिन इनके बारे में बहुत सारी बातें हैं आज। रियली आई विल टेल यू समथिंग टुडे। अगर एक लाइन होती है दैट विनर्स नेवर क्विट एंड क्विटर्स नेवर विन। हर उस चीज़ को बहुत सारी दिक्कतें आई, बहुत सारी चीज़ें, अपने आप को बदलना। आज से आपने कुछ समय पहले देख लेते तो आप बोलते भाई सच में यही। And yes, today I was noticing, he was very happy that today is Kapil is team manager. But remember, it's all about the true effort, the guy who is trusted. बहुत दिक्कतें आई, हर चीज़ हुई, मतलब पर सपोर्ट क्या घर पे कई बार की धुलाई भी होती थी, इनके पापा इनकी पूरी मरम्मत करते थे, फुल इनका रायता बनाते थे, भरता बनाते थे। But in spite, say one thing that I am doing good things and I will be managed. Let me invite this person very wonderfully. Here is Mr. Manoj, everybody. Please have a भाई बस होली 13 मार्च को है भाई, तभी देते हैं। लो सर, आपको बन के आपको
First of all, thank you for a warm welcome. Before telling anything about me, first of all, I would like to say thank to my down, special thanks to my loving sister, Miss Renu ji, and likewise my loving brother, Mr. Rahul ji, and many more associates, Miss Sangeeta ji, Miss Komal ji, and recently joined Mr. Lucky ji, Mr. Manoj ji, and those who are working at Noida City Center, Mr. Silender ji, Miss Harshita ji, they came here today, and those who are working at Rohtak, they couldn't come today due to some problems. Thank you all. And apart from that, I would like to say thank my flying even special thanks to Mr. Pramod Surya ji, great of flying. Mr. Gaurav Pal ji, Mr. Yogesh Kumar ji, they couldn't come here today because they are busy today. And the last, Mr. Arjun Chauhan ji, what do I say about him? He is my mentor. He taught me many things. I remember the day I was just about to leave a call society. He came to meet me in front of Janak Hall, and he told me one thing, sir. If I'll support you like a brother, you will definitely become a leader. And today, result in front of you, dear. Whether I came here late, it doesn't matter, dear. But today I'm in front of you. That's a big deal. Okay. Thank you all, my down and my flying even, because without their support it would not be possible to come on the stage here. If I talk about me, my name is Manoj, currently pursuing graduation from DU and Striker set up in the course of software engineering from an IIT. These are my academic qualifications, but today I am not standing before you for my these academic qualifications. I was part of a same gathering before humans back. Okay, and after watching the concept, some doubts were wandering in my mind. My doubts were like this: I was thinking the concept which I seen is a fraud. Nothing can happen like this. If I invest here 8699 my money will be drawn to. Okay, my second doubt was like this. I was thinking in an IT part. I was thinking, here I don't know C++, Java. How can I design my website? Okay, and in an HR part, business part, I was thinking here it's a member making or a chain making. Okay, then I went outside from the OD after watching the concept, and I cleared my each and every doubt from my seniors, and I started here working, and today I am standing before you as a team manager here. My friends, yeah, those are very close to my heart. Those were very close to my heart. They asked me even today that Manoj, you have been working here for a long time. You just show me your achievements, yaar. What have you achieved from here? So I just tell him only one thing, I just tell them only one thing, yaar. My many friends, they asked me even today that Manoj, yaar, you are working for a long time. Can you show me your achievement? Because every network marketer has an achievement. Okay, so I just tell them only one thing, yaar. I am that boy who didn't purchase a laptop, who didn't purchase a bike, who didn't purchase a car, and who didn't earn ample amount of money from here. Because I think so. A laptop can steal anyone. A bike can steal anybody. A car can steal anybody. And if I talk about money can theft anybody. Okay. Now you will be thinking that what sir has achieved from here. What sir has achieved from here. Yeah, I remember that even I was a part of a same gathering before, same as you. When I was a part of a same gathering before few months back, I sat at the back seat on that day Pramod ji took the seminar. And today the same boy, due to flying. Actually, I was flying a lot on that day when I was a part of the same gathering. I came with my friend Neeraj. So I was sitting at the back. So actually I was flying a lot because I was thinking no one can stand me and no one can ask a question for me. And today the same boy who is standing before you as a team manager and who is speaking before you without flying. Don't you feel this thing I've achieved from here? Okay, dear, let me tell you very frank, I joined this organization for a learning purpose, not for an earning purpose. Only 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I came after a long time. So, okay, where I was telling that, let me tell you very frank, I joined this organization for a learning purpose, not an earning purpose. Because many my friends, okay, many people ask me that What have you learned from here? So I am that boy. When I was a part of a same gathering, I remember the day. Okay, I didn't know the difference between an email ID or a website. It's a bitter truth of my life. I didn't know the difference between an email ID or a website, and today the same boy who knows how to design a website, who knows how can we earn from a site even, and who knows how can I get my site popular on an e-world. Okay, dear, I just tell you only one thing, yaar. Today I tell one line in a proud that today I keep as much knowledge as much MBA student keep. Now you will be thinking that what is the saying that today I keep as much knowledge as much MBA student keep. So I just tell you only one thing, and if I talk about MBA student, you know what does he learn in the college? He learns how to manage the things. As Mr. Ji said here, he learns how to manage the things. He learns how to collaborate the things. He learns how to create a sale in the market. Okay, and whatever he does a theoretical thing there. And if I talk about me today, I'm learning how to manage the things. Today I'm learning how to collaborate the things. Today I'm learning how to create a sale in the market. Today I'm learning how to face myself in front of others. Today I'm learning how to represent myself in front of others. Okay, and whatever I'm doing each and everything as a practical dear. If I give a pen or any of the product to an MBA student and I tell to him that you have to sell this pen or a product in a market, he will think of millions of times. And today the same boy who is selling a site of 869, I told you, feel this thing I've learned from here. Okay, and the last, just I will take only 1 minute. 1 minute.
Time starts now.
1 minute. Okay, so at the end, I just, many students, when I take the presentation, sometimes it happens with me, many students, they are in ego, they tell to me, sir, tell me one thing, why do I opt this organization? Why do I opt? Why do I join? I am getting 90% in my college and I am the topper of my college. Why do I opt? So I tell them only one thing, after studying, will you go for a job? Tell me one thing, will you go for a job? Or will you keep your degrees at home? Will you keep your degrees at home or will you go for a job? Go for a job. At that time you need a computer knowledge. Tell me, you need a computer knowledge. You need an English knowledge because without English you can't deal with a foreigner right now, right? And main thing, you need a sales and marketing knowledge too, because without sales and marketing you can't stand in a market. Okay, day before yesterday, Waldeji, the company founder, he was taking my meeting, so he was telling one thing, dear, after studying, when you go for a job, at that time you will have to perform. Okay, you will have to perform there. If you are not performing well there, it's my commitment, the company will flush you out in just 2 months. Flush you out just in 2 months. And I am learning here how to perform. So at the end, as Pramod is coming again and again to me, so I will not take you too much time. So at the end, I just tell you only one thing, dear, it's a very nice platform to work here for a youth. If you work from the bottom of your heart, it's my commitment you will definitely get a success from here. Because I have done each and everything as a practical. Okay, so at the end, I just thank to my all the downline they came here, and my students also came today. They are sitting at the back. Thank you, beta. You came. That's all about me. This was Manoj Kumar. Thank you very much.